Yo, hello. We're live on YouTube, and this is the May 1st. We're gonna be trading live US market, and this market is about to open within the next 5 minutes. So I hope ये live अभी चल रहा होगा and सही चल रहा होगा. मैं check करता हूँ एक बार. Oh yes, the live is working and we're good to go. अभी हमें market open का wait करना. ओवरऑल जो ट्रेंड है अभी मार्केट का, अगर वन डे पे मैं चेक करूँ सो दिस कैंडल इज गोइंग टू फ्लिप. ऐसा मेरे को लग रहा है कि यहाँ पे वापस स्क्रीन बन जाएगी. सो मेरे को क्या करना है, बेसिकली मेरा अभी सपोर्ट जोन है जो आज का डे लो मैंने मार्क कर दिया, बिकॉज ये जो बार है यहाँ पे ब्लैक वाली मोस्ट प्रॉब्ली चांसेस है ग्रीन में फ्लिप हो जाएगी एज पर द कैंडल बिहेवियर एंड जो मार्केट का भी स्ट्रक्चर है. So on 4 hours, Nasdaq अभी यहाँ पे सपोर्ट लेते हुए ऊपर गया है एंड दिस इज द परफेक्ट पॉइंट फॉर द मार्केट सपोर्ट, क्योंकि ये लास्ट डे के जो स्विंग हाइज यहाँ पे बने हुए हैं मार्केट के इससे पहले के इसी जोन पे यहाँ पे रेजिस्टेंस लेके यहाँ पे इसको सपोर्ट बना के ऊपर जाने का ट्राई कर रहा है. बट अभी न्यूयॉर्क ओपन होगा सो लेट्स सी अगर ये फ्लिप होता है नीचे. अभी के लिए मेरे पे एक हाई रेंज ये है यहाँ पे, और मैं एक बार यहाँ पे MNQ को MQ Nasdaq ओके. सो यहाँ पे मैंने अभी यहाँ पे 30 सेकेंड्स का आ गया. थर्टी सेकेंड्स का मैं यहाँ पे एक चार्ट ओपन कर लेता हूँ अपने लिए. ठीक है. सो अभी जो मेरा 4 घंटे में चार्ट है इसको मैं हटा के 1 मिनट में आ जाऊंगा. एक बार 30 मिनट्स मुझे चेक करना Nasdaq का, और हम स्कैल्पिंग के लिए अपना तैयार बैठे हैं. सो दिस इज़ 30 मिनट्स. 1 मिनट में जो हमें स्ट्रक्चर देख रहा है अभी मार्केट का, अगर हम पूरे दिन का रिवाइंड करके देखें May 1 का, ओके. सो यहाँ पर मार्केट ओपन हुआ है, नीचे आया, ब्रेकआउट दिया, रेंज बना के 4 मई को जो मार्केट है यहाँ पे रेंज बाउंड मार्केट पे नीचे का टेस्ट लिया है, उसके बाद ऊपर ओपन हुआ है. सो अभी मार्केट जो ट्रेड कर रहा है और ट्रेड जो यहाँ पे कर रहा है वो रेंज पे है मेरे लिए. वॉल्यूम की बात अगर मैं करूँ तो दिस इज प्रॉपर साइडवेज एंड मेरे को देखते हैं यहाँ पे अभी लास्ट सो और जो मैं अपना अकाउंट ट्रेड करने वाला हूँ मेरा लूसिड का अकाउंट रहेगा. इस पर भी मैंने May 1 पे स्टार्ट करा है, जिस दिन हमारा पहला दिन जो है मैंने -12 पे यहाँ पे क्लोज करा है हमारा अकाउंट. एंड अभी मेरे को इस पे आज से ट्रेड जो करना है वो $400 पर ट्रेड मेरा रिस्क रहने वाला है. एंड लेट्स सी क्या होगा. ओके, टेस्टिंग 58. ये लेवल को टेस्ट करके अगर यहाँ से नीचे रेड कहीं क्लोज करती है सो देयर शुड बी अ स्कैल्प ट्रेड, बट मैं नहीं करूँगा इसे. सो अभी बेसिकली जो मेरा ओपन ट्रेड आने वाला है, जो मेरा एक ओपन सेटअप रहेगा, मैं उसे हमेशा अभी 5 दिन के लिए कुछ दिन के लिए ऑब्जर्व करूँगा बिफोर गेटिंग इन दोज ट्रेड्स. Okay, so इसने अपना 861 871 market is quite volatile और market ने कर दिया है 61 to 70. Yep, दे दिया हमें range down and then range up. Buy number one, trading between those range. And let's see the trader weight. Delay रहेगा bro इस पे, but I guess yes that worked. I should have been short at this point. And wait, let me also check my loss limit on that. Alright, so I'll be trading like 20 micros. And this is gonna be my journal, जहाँ पे मैं अपने journal daily के यहाँ पे maintain करने वाला हूँ इस पे जो भी मैं अपना trade लेता हूँ. And as per the reversal यहाँ पे short tested. Observation period 10 8 58 high. Let's see. Okay, so MNQ is going kind of down. यहाँ कहीं पे इसका support है एक. अगर यहाँ से रिजेक्शन लेके ऊपर जाने वाला तो नहीं लगता मेरे को. वॉल्यूम काफ़ी अच्छा है इन कैंडल्स पे. एंड व्हाट आई एम गोना डू इज नाउ I'll wait. I'll wait for next 15 or 10 minutes probably. And फिर मेरा पहला ट्रेड मैं आप अपना पहला स्कैल्प जो है उसे एग्जीक्यूट कर दूंगा. एंड I'll be doing that live. सो देखते हैं मंथ की हमारी ओपनिंग कैसी होती है. और जो भी आप फ्यूचर ट्रेड या फिर कुछ भी कर रहे हो सो मैं भी वही कर रहा हूँ. मैं चैनल्स के तौर पे अपने लिए लाइफ क्रिएट कर रहा हूँ. सो मेरे पे मेरा डेटा यहाँ पे मेरे पास रहने वाला है. जितना ही मेरे को डेटा चाहिए होगा. But that was a lovely ball, isn't it? 30 seconds. 29:30. And then we got that touch. Down. Up, down. Lovely. So if I have to sit 20. This will be my zone. Okie dokie, we're ready. सो अभी के लिए यहाँ पे मैंने कोई ट्रेड करा नहीं है. आज हमारा ट्रेड यहाँ पर आएगा 4 तारीख को. एंड लेट्स सी ब्रो क्या करता हूँ मैं. आई ट्रेड प्राइस एक्शन एंड आई ट्रेड चार्ट. आई ट्रेड Nasdaq. आई ट्रेड gold. I trade nothing. Yep, market is bearish for me from that point. And that's the nice retest. Alright, so we do have that. Let me just screenshot and इसे मैं अपने journal में सेव करता हूँ. That look nice. So ये मेरे ट्रेड रहने वाले हैं जो कि मैं अपने जर्नल्स पे रखूँगा और इन्हें आगे जाके मैं अपने सेटअप पे यूज़ करूँगा जो कि मेरा सेटअप रहेगा. बट अभी के लिए so we are ready for our trades, I guess. Stay there. Now you're gonna watch me trading live, scalping Nasdaq. Let's see. You ready? I'm ready for my setups, okay boys? And that's gonna be my first, I don't know, it's 5-4. Let me see that. Let's see, bro. I'm gonna be executing the orders. Eight or nine. Live trade, live executions कहाँ गई मेरी? कब बनेगा सारा? So I'm just waiting for my setup. जैसे मेरा setup आता है मैं अपने trades execute कर दूँगा. You gotta combine with hard work and time. You gotta climb to the top. Don't let yourself drop till your heart stops. Let this beat rock. Got a new clock and a new stock for this new rock. Just let your mind loose from the new stock. Drunk off the goose, thinking that I'm too pot. Getting caught with a few thoughts, cause I'm too lost. Speakers can't even handle me. Give it what I got, nobody will drain my energy. And I will never stop, I'm motivated by enemies. Setting up shop so everybody remember me and how I am now. Market is in the range at 1 minute. I'm gonna be scalping for 10 ticks. That's like my risk to reward gonna be a 1:1 for 10 ticks. I'm gonna be paying a 10 ticks, so it's like 10 ticks, $10 to make a $10. First trade about to start with like next 2 minutes. Attack with no questions in my own section, and they still disconnected cause their mind's been infected and they're filled with objection, too filled for recollection, so we're losing all attention. They don't know I'm in contention cause I'm gaining their attention, cause I'm making a connection. Lyricism and aggression got me feeling my ascension in my passion, my profession. I'm attacking my obsession, taking action and progressing. I go off on the enemy, that's what makes them scared of me. Make my plans carefully, then execute them daring. Alright, let's go. I have placed my buy limit, and I'm gonna put my sell limits at this level. Yeah, so we are done with our limits, and that's it. Wait, we fucked up our limits. Alright. Alright, now we're in, I guess. Let me check that. Alright, I'm about to get filled. Right at this point. Just a second away, I was not able to fill. I should have been got my TP, mates. Shit. I'm not getting filled. Just because of that 1 point, really. And I don't want that,
Order filled.
Alright, I'm in.
Order filled.
Okay. I got my TP, the first TP, and the remaining order, I'm just gonna be putting that there. Oof. Really? I just went with that? Oh. Bro, I did not selected these lots, mates. Damn. I did a fuck. I was about to put like $400 risk on that, and I just got 95. That sucks. I'll have to change that, mates. Sorry about that. Bobby. हाँ, मैंने यहाँ पे 20 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स डालने थे, मैंने सिर्फ 5 सेलेक्ट कर रखे थे, so bullshit, mates. It's funny. अब जब जो मेरा $400 का प्रॉफिट अगर होता है यहाँ पे, सो अभी मेरा हो रहा है only $100, and this is 1:1 guys. यहाँ पे हमें बहुत ध्यान रखना पड़ता है. Alright, हम अनलकी बोल सकते हैं खुद को यार, because कोई ना. What we can do, mates, can't do anything. अब ये हमारा यहाँ पे जो ऑर्डर है सही लगा है, बट आई डोंट थिंक ये फेल होगा. हाँ, काफ़ी अच्छा ट्रेड होता हमारा $400 पे, बट see, I only regret अगर मैंने कोई गलती करी है, अगर मेरी एंड से कोई गलती हो रही, सो आई रिग्रेट दैट. बट अगर मेरी कोई गलती नहीं है, मेरा सेटअप मैंने सब चीज़ सही से फॉलो करा है, सो वो तुम्हें गिल्ट कम देता है. अभी इस ट्रेड में मैंने क्या करा, एज पर माई सेटअप मैंने सब चीज़ें फॉलो करी. एग्जीक्यूशंस के टाइम में जो मैं लाइक अगर फेयर करता हूँ, घुसने से पहले थोड़ा डर लगता है, या फिर जो हमारी साइकोलॉजी अफेक्ट करती है, वो भी मैंने यहाँ पे सब सही करा. बट मैंने क्या करा, आई वॉज नॉट proactive. I should say like silly. यहाँ पे जो मिस्टेक करी मैंने बहुत ही ज़्यादा केयरलेसनेस है. जस्ट बिकॉज मैंने यहाँ पे अपना ये वाले 30 सेकेंड्स में तो मैंने 20 कर दिया था, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली हमारे यहाँ पे 20 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट सेलेक्ट नहीं हुए थे, एंड आई वेंट जस्ट ऑन 5 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स. सो वी गॉट $100 प्रॉफिट ऑन दैट फर्स्ट ट्रेड. And now currently trading below that range. It's supposed to get that $400 on that trade, really. Not even kidding. Unfortunately, that's what happened. But still, we got out in green, I would say. And that's what matters. Lovey dovey. Let me just put some songs and I'll be right back. Now market is trying to break out for the upside. That would be perfect. Yep. What it doesn't say is that I modified my profit or my TP. What's wrong with that, honey? Where is my order? Let me see that. Those are our lines. And that's my order at the bottom. And it was kinda missy troidy. That was most. Current market is at this point trading above the open with that support at that earlier range. So as per the day trend, if I get back into the 15 minutes, market is bullish. Of course is. Now the New York might get into this resistance as well. Right back, mates.
Things to do, picking fate now. I just wanna be the best, call me great now. I don't know if I'm okay or insane now. I remember better days on the playground, hoping I can find my way even when I'm feeling down. I fight, even when I don't know what is right. I'ma pick a side and I'ma take pride. I will decide my fate and I will never let them tell me who I am. If you try to shape me, I'll be damned. Planet on the ground is where I stand. Never give up, that was always the plan. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold outside, I'm alone, I'm alright. It's so cold that shows her body, and she's hanging out with all of her friends. Yeah, let's go. Yeah, she wants to play it like that. Look her in the eyes, and she looking right back. Feel the heat rise with the right contact. She's playing with her hair, so I know she likes that. Yeah, I can feel the beat now. All I wanna do is get her out of the cut, and on the dance floor with the bass so loud, making my move through the room right now. She used to dance with them. She never danced
Alright, let me just post that journal as well, which I don't believe I have yet. So yeah. Alright, that was a sell limit order. Got filled. Profit. $1.95. Did not fit full quantity. So ये ट्रेड पे जो थी मेरी क्वांटिटी मैंने कम डाली है. पता नहीं क्यों डाली, मतलब सेटिंग कर दी थी मैंने बट मैं भूल गया उसके बाद. सो वहाँ पे 20 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट 5 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स हमने डाले इंस्टेड ऑफ 20. सो 5 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स मैं फर्स्ट पे ट्रेड कर रहा था सेम सेटअप 20 टेक्स पे. बट देन मैंने कुछ चेंजेस के बाद उस पर अभी कॉन्ट्रैक्ट साइज रहेगा मेरा फिक्स वो रहने वाला है 20 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट्स का. एंड या सो आज के 5 तारीख को भी जो पहला ट्रेड था जो मैं ऑब्जर्व करना है, मैंने उसे ऑब्जर्व करने के बाद यहाँ पे चेक कर लिया है. दैट वाज अ प्रॉफिटेबल ट्रेड. एंड देन मैंने अपना ट्रेड मारा है 5-4 मंडे नैस्डैक न्यूयॉर्क. बाय ट्रेड था मेरा, सॉरी सेल ट्रेड, सेल लिमिट. सो मैंने यहाँ पे सेल लिमिट को डाला था केयरलेस नहीं 20 कॉन्ट्रैक्ट की जगह 5 ही डाले. सो वो मेरा इशू है. बाकी what do you think, bro? If I get on a 1 minute, yeah, do we still got a time? Exactly, yes. So our range for the entry, where our entry was for the selling side, is still trading lower. Somewhere around 40 ticks, it went low. And our order is at the bottom as well, which might work as a support. That's what I'm trying to bet on the lower side. So basically I'm trying to do the sell high and buy low at this range. That's what. Also the price action that says this is a range zone and market direction is kind of for the upside, but then at this point the market is trading below, not able to take off these pull bar, those bear bars, and the volume is with the sellers at this point as well. The volume is good, and even if the market is rising, the volume is kinda falling down. So market might get back to this zone, and I'll be removing my order if it get filled within a time, then it's fine. And if it's out of my session or out of my trading window, then I'll remove that and I will look for my next trade. So अभी मुझे बस बैठ के देखना है, गाने सुनना है, and basically जो हमारा यहाँ पे ट्रेड था उससे मुझे जर्नल करना है प्रॉपर टाइम टू टाइम. एक भी ट्रेड मेरा मिस नहीं होना चाहिए. बेसिकली यही काम है मेरा. इसके अलावा तो I just have to follow my setups. Call out my name. Short trade, limit order, clear. Only mistake, entered with 5 contracts, did not change or not active. सो ये ऐसी छोटी छोटी मिस्टेक यहाँ पे हमारे ट्रेड सही है, बट हमारे एंड से हम कुछ पे एक छोटा माइनर अगर कुछ भी छोटा सा भी अगर फक कर रहे हैं, सो इट कैन कॉस्ट यू लाइक योर होल अकाउंट, एंड तुम्हारा अकाउंट ब्रीच भी हो सकता है, तुम्हारे रिस्क मैनेजमेंट की वोट लग सकती है, तुम्हारे साइकोलॉजी की, तुम्हारे रेवेंस ट्रेड्स ऑन हो सकते हैं. सो बेसिकली मेरे साथ ये सब चीज़ें होती है, हर एक उस बंदे के साथ यही होता है जो ट्रेड मार रहा है. सो मेक श्योर एग्जीक्यूशंस मैटर.
Robin Hood.
अगर मैं उस समय यहाँ पे ट्रेडिंग व्यू का चार्ट भी खोल देता ना, सो मेरे को दिख जाता है क्वांटिटीज कितने ली है मैंने, एंड आई कुड हैव चेंज दैट, बट जो हो गया वो हो गया भाई. First walked. Good trade. At right price. So let me copy. And let me put that. This is what we call XLR 711. Sell. And got TP 10 10. Yeah, I just put some hype. सो ये मेरा यहाँ पे सर्वर है जहाँ पे मैं जितने भी अपने ट्रेड्स लेता हूँ, अपने चार्ट्स जितने भी मेरे को चाहिए होता है मैं यहाँ डाल देता हूँ, यू नो इम्पोर्टेंट चार्ट्स, सो बाद में काम आते हैं. बट अभी के लिए ये मंथ के जितने भी एक एक चार्ट, एक एक छोटा छोटा पार्ट मुझे बेस्ट देना है, यू नो बेस्ट मतलब बेस्ट. सो विल ट्राई. Yeah. Let me put that. Where is that? Yeah, that will look nice, I guess. Rest it down now. Where's my screen, mates? Lobby dobby. I'm not going to get filled on the next trade, so probably I'll be removing that after 8 or 10 minutes. And let's see. Okay. Good trade is always a hard trade. Remember that. I don't think the market will try these levels again. It might take a retest and then get back. But that's the important resistance for the market, is not able to break that, but also not able to break down, as I can see the clear retest of these three push down and then getting back. So yep. Important thing, the market is above this line, and that shows that there are the buyers active at this zone and trying to take the market up, take the market down to get their order filled. But for us, we're just putting our limit order for actual right quantity, which is 20 micros and 20 contract for that M&Q, and the same supposed to be at this point. We only put it up like 5 micros, and we made a blunder on that, cause if I get a loss on this, no one gonna be saving me from that loss. And if I would have been got that profit of $400, I could have been used that profit right there with that confidence. And on my first trade, I made that mistakes from my end, which is not acceptable at all, because that's my whole motto, to be in the front page and just do the right things that should be on the chart. The rest I don't know where the market goes, or where actually the buyers and sellers are. I just trade depending on my edge and the plans that I created for me, so I need to make sure that I'm following that. And whatever I know about the market, like if the market is going to get up from this point or going to get down from this point, I have to keep that theory aside and only follow my system. Because if you know the market gonna be get up from here, I can also know if my setup will work there. So it's better to have a setup rather than just trading. That's what I do, and because my intuition, I believe it's great, I would say, but my execution sucks. So not for me at this point. I'll have to practice that every day on that intuitions or whatever it called, the projection, but I need to make sure that we are right on that and we're not making executions error. That's the reason I use like mechanical entries kind of thing on the basis of price action. Like if I'm trading there, these entries are mechanical, where I don't have to think about the exits, where I don't have to think about the stop loss. That's already fixed on the basis of my data, on the basis of the stats and the number and the behavior that I know about the Nasdaq. So I created that in that way, and these setups just give you the way and the confirmation to believe your setup and to believe yourself and to trade and executes, because executions need kind of a discipline that not everyone have that. Even like only 5 to 7 actual percent of the people in the market or in the life have that discipline that it's required. The best thing, take those things, out of you. You need a sacrifice, and that's what I'm doing from my end, and not trying to fight the market, but just trying to follow the market. So on the basis of that, my setup works or not, I have to bet on my edge, and that's it. So the results are totally depends on how perfectly I try to bet on my edge, and I should be least on those mistakes. How this YouTube Shorts live work, मतलब यहाँ पे मैंने पहले लाइव तो करा नहीं है इधर पे, and देखते हैं भाई यहाँ पे कैसा होता है काम. But it's fun. Screen perfect आ रही है, फिट जो मेरे को चाहिए था, so yeah, it work, it's same. बाकी लाइव का जो मेरा मेन रीज़न रहेगा, मेरे को बार बार रिकॉर्ड नहीं करने पड़ेंगे. प्लस this is what the consistency I have to create, not on the trading first, but on that routine or discipline that I required, because I have to be aware with my open eyes, with my open brain, with my open ear, and have to focus what's going here and what I'm trying to do with these candles, or with this account, or the amount that I got in this account. So yeah, let me check the balance of the account. I feel really sad to miss that trade, because we're not gonna have those a lot of number of trades. We will have only few opportunities to trade or to get a trade like that. So really need to be careful for the next time that we are not missing a single penny. But rather than focusing that what I missed, I'll focus on what it worked. So that worked on my day first, and on Friday I was just fixing the setup, that what it need to get changes, or how I can make it more technical, more subjective, or more intuitive, whatever the combination I can fix. And it should be kind of a simple for me, not very complex. I don't really like the complex things in the market. I just like my raw confirmation, and for those raw confirmation or the chart reading or the price action, I just take mechanical entries or the exits. Oh damn. That's a very big bar right there. I don't know, the market had tested like 4 times. And if it got there, are we about to get filled in this trade? I'm not sure. I don't think that. Probably not tonight. Can we wait till I 8 if we're on a setup now? Should not, actually. Or should we? Is there any news for today? Forex victory. I don't believe in news, but I do sometime, just to take the advantage of those news in my favor if I can. But yeah, the market is kind of pressing down. 38, 39, and then we're probably out. Let me play some music. Rest, I will make sure I'm trading every single day on my life and trying to present myself in front of the screen actively with that right mindset that I need, and the way I do that trading. So this is what gonna be my motto, and that's what gonna be my target as well, to follow everything on that pattern. And yeah. Alright, I'm probably gonna be removing this order. I don't need that now, I believe. Yep. So, removing the buy limit order after the support. I don't think that market gonna get down anymore. Also, I'm out of my trading window for that setup, so I'll be removing it out. Yep. So let me check that. Yeah, we have removed that order successfully. We are in no trades now. We are in no pending positions. Currently trading above that range back and took that support from the prior bar. As I said, the market tend to be bullish for this night, or probably in the upward range, the sideways range. But yeah, these three bars are really yeah, these are promising bar with that good volume. Finally, I can see that increasing volume on that green volume, like a green side. Can we break these? If it doesn't break these low, just try to trade up or create the new ranges. I don't know. Let's remove, and we'll keep it clear for the day. So that that's the perfect long signal right there, or right there, 920. Well, if the market have to be the range bound, the market gonna create a range back, gonna show some rejection right at this top, but already market have tried tested this range multiple times for upside, and for the downside I don't see the push or the closing below the price swings. So, but as this is just a 1 minute chart, so I'm just talking about like on the basis of like scalps. This is pure resistance right there, and this is gonna be a really confusing zone for most people, but then this is a straight up rally with those back breaks. So market have tried like multiple times to get down, and if it doesn't get down, then there should be a new high. So that's the 4th May, and already we got a new high for the day. We'll try to test that again, might be. So yeah, we're trading above the new high. Not much, just those 70 points. Yep. I'll be right back. This candle gonna be fucking flipping now. That's what I think. Market is at the breakout level as well, and this candle shows that it have take all the I don't know what you guys say, the liquidity parts, but for me the pattern says that this green bar, currently forming a green bar doji, has made its entire low right there and did not close or touched any kind of a low of that prior bar, and which shows that the market have a good strength above that point. So if it goes up, it might close there, it might close there, but then it might run more. That's what I think. 99%. The rest I don't know. Or it might be a retracement. Can't say. But I don't care about these analysis. I really don't trade on my analysis. I trade on my setup. The analysis helped me to get more used to with the charts, so that on upcoming time, if I need to trade a naked chart, I should be prepared. I should have a backup, and then कहीं पे भी ट्रेड मार सकता हूँ कि मेरे को दिखा सपोर्ट है, मैं बाइक में घुस रहा हूँ, मैं बाय हाई बाय लो, sell high sell low, everything that is possible with the market, because market give you the chances to do the both. Like uh, here you can just buy or sell your order freely, right? So if you can sell that, if you can buy that, if you can lose that, so there should be the way to make that as well, right? So you have to be in the team where you wanting it to make money, not trying to lose it, not trying to stuck yourself in a loop. So that's what I'm trying to just focus on, the psychology and the mindset and my process. Simple. Trade 1 completed with a profit. Trade first actually was at the US Open, which we did not short it, and that was for the short signal, and that was just observation trade where we have to observe that trade for the next 5 days, and then believe we're good to go. 58 high, and what else I can see in that chart? Yep, the market is creating a pattern for up momentums, and now there's a one more rally. Let's go. I'm waiting. Oh yeah, I'm back. And now we'll look for our setup. अभी एक या फिर दो ट्रेड और देखेंगे हम, अगर मेरे को मिलता है कहीं पे तो मैं उसे एग्जीक्यूट कर देता हूँ यहाँ पे. एंड लेट्स सी. सो जो मेरा नया सेटअप है, मुझे एक और चीज़ ऑब्जर्व करनी है अभी. Okay. Can we use this as a support? Sorry, as a resistance. Yep. Huh. Okay. Can you see there? Here on this bar, the volume was good, okay, and then on the next bar, the volume is falling. The next bar, the volume is falling more, and now on this doji, the volume is creating by the sellers. So that says that this is a rejection point where the market tested these highs and now might move down slowly and steadily. Yeah. Is that a microphone pattern? Nope, that's not the channel, but kind of channel. Yep. $58. What do I think is that? I should be short here. XLR8 rich 58 wall high down move short test at 57 high. Did not test it, and market will get down for a while. Okay. Nice, mates. I just need to capture that, and I did not. Sorry about that. Now it might be the support, and we can be the buyer below this low, but that's very risky. So my observation says that yep, we should be the seller at that right point. And now if that's the big bar low, I'd be the buyer at this low. Yep. If I would have been a buyer, what should be my limit? This limit here. That's what it says, 68 and 82. Yeah. Next, should be support test worked. XLR8 59. Yep. Yeah, so that was the retest that we could have been bought at the level, and that was my observation. And observation for the short that we could have been shorted right there. But now I might not like to do that search, so yeah, the move has already been moved and we are not looking for any late entries, and I can see that clearly a price action as well, so it might get back up there easy and clearly. So those push has become now the recovery mode kind of a thing, that not pushing it lower and making that as a last low. But this is the rejection. If the market could not break these again, then there the rejection for the down. But the bar is very promising. That says that we're just gonna want to go back to our channel, and that's the bull channel for the moment. And if that's the case, then this might be my low. Let me click that. Okie dokie. Yep, it's filling that gap. Trying to get up and might get a good breakout. Not sure. But still, we're back in our range, which clearly indicates that the seller were just to retest the market for now, and now it's planning to get higher. So I got this, and let me put that on my did I got that? Yeah. Short, not test date also. Big bear bar with lower wick could have been used as a support for retest of bull channel. Clear direction. Observation. Hashtag second day Monday May 4. या सो मैंने अपना चैनल भी यहाँ पे ऐड कर दिया। अभी इसमें मुझे बाकी जितने भी वीकली एनालिसिस मैं करूँगा उनके लिए मेरे को ध्यान रखना है। प्लस let's follow some trades, folks. We are taking the rejection from that range and should go up. Oh, if I would have been trading a price action, I would have loved to be the buyer at this low and this low for up there. And that's the 1 minute chart time frame for me. Not tested even now, so yeah, hopefully getting down. All I have to make sure, I have to keep on adding those charts. So this was for a sell, got TP, this was the order, that the observation first, live, and then support for retest of bull channel, clear direction, observation hashtag 2, day Monday, and that was the clear retest and short. So yep. Let me get back on my trading chart screen. 3 push down, 3 push up. Same goes for the bear side. The trend is trying to be down, so it will get lower and will work as a retest of that zone and will fall down. But yeah, I don't think that's going to break that. But yeah, just hoping and just waiting. we're waiting for a limit order. So actually this is not a part of my setup, this is just a price action analysis that I do, cause I create my setup on the basis of a naked price action, so I have to watch an patterns or the price behavior, the situational analysis that I do for my trades, and yeah, that's my trading style, so that's the reason, or else there's nothing to do with that, where the market is trying to go. I don't try to find the buyer or the seller. I don't try to get the footprints of the buyer and seller. I'm the footprints, mates. If I'm executing, I just need that one buyer or one seller to move their trades in my favor, and that's it, that's all. Rest, I don't really have to think about that, as my main focus and my main energy should be on executing those trades that I'm getting, and just want to make sure not missing any opportunities like we did earlier. At this point, that was our fault, so we have to focus on ourselves at our own condition that we need to follow, and rest just the market. It's the clear direction for the upside, mates. Getting up for the new highs. So that's the low for the day. For the 8. 7 bar. Bar number 7, and then the bar number 8. And we'll use this line. Nice, lovely. We need that high to be getting filled as well, you know, that's important. And if we don't get that, we're probably gonna get stopped out of this trade, cause this is a breakout time as well, and I have to short right there. Just waiting with that big lot. The last trade, probably, or the second last trade. Right, that retest has already worked for that one time, and I'm not sure if I'll get the opportunity. It should be my 10 and high. Let's see, mates. I already got that retest at bar number 9, and now more I get. If it's top, that's lovely. If it doesn't, it's already on the breakout mode, and yeah, that's what's gonna happen, I believe. So I'll be ready for my sell order right there. Bar number 19. 17 seconds to go, and
Order filled.
alright, I'm in my order. Ah shit, that's a breakout. We have to go below this bar if in order to need a TP, but the volumes are very high, and these bars So I'm negative 80, negative 90, negative 70, 40, 90, 110, negative 60, 50, 30, 20, 40. Alright, doesn't look great. Positive 50. On that 1 minute chart, we are negative 250, 190. It's rolling and it's roaring. Not a problem, we'll take this stop loss if we get that. Yeah, we're stopped out. I'm watching that. 300 negative, 300 minus 290, 270, 260, 220, 250. That's clearly a buy high, and I'm currently on negative 300, 340, and I'm stopped out, I guess. Let's see, that's interesting, isn't it? Just following your setup and focusing on that. I don't think that we're getting any bull lows, so yeah. About to get stopped out. Yeah, stopped out.
Stop filled.
Unfortunately, if you're stopped out at that bull range, and that was clearly a high. So I was entered in at 923. I don't know. Where is the trader weight? What the heck, mates? Did I make a blunder? Alright, that's fine. That was not our mistake. So from 17 to 29, it already touched like 12 ticks, so yep. We're in the negative now, so that's so funny. We are negative 400 after having just that $100 positive, where it should be a break even. So we're negative 325. Ow, mates, I hate that. Okay, that's lovely. That's lovely that I got stopped out. It really doesn't matter. All I'm just trying to say is that my entry should be here, 12, 17, and here. Should have been traded this range at the first. I can't call it a warning bar, but I can call it, of course, a negative bar. We moved in 11 and got topped out. It's the zone we got stopped out. So that's, oh holy moly. Lovely. I got one stop loss, and that's the actual stop loss on the Nasdaq. Was it's of $400 negative. Damn. Not so good. Tool plus. It's topped out. Limit XLR 11. Was a move. 15 forward. Range was about to break, and got trapped. Alright, so I got that, and then there was one open trade, I would say, which should be in the profit because we were not in the trade. Wait, let me check that. By the retracement. Let's create that. 0, 0, and then 10, 0, 0, and then 7, I guess. Low retracement. Support. Test it as well. Big low, big bar low. Support test as well. So yep, that's. I guess that was a trade for the day. I don't think that the oh, see, can you see that? I told you the channel gonna be walking completely bearish for that, and now I hope I could have been get on that trade and traded some sort of a penny on that to a lower side, but then we are negative on a day first, 49,662. It should be the break even, but then we lost on that the first trade, and then we are out of the market for a while. I don't think that I'm going to be trading more, hoping for buy setup in order to work, so why not? 863. 863. Let me just have my bong 20 limits at this zone, okay? And yep, I'll be right back. Trying to test those. I don't think that the market is clearly breaking out, and that's how I got trapped. Even after knowing, but that's what you do when you follow your setup. You just have to be in your setup. That's what I think. Okay, there's nothing. Well, yeah, hopefully we executed our trade without any fear, without any mistakes, so yeah, that's better. You can get the loss anytime, you never know, bro. Give me the time. I'm done with my order.
LeBron though, or like Lonzo. Ooh, I'm a baller, yeah, shot caller, yeah. They love me, you can't touch me, nah, can't trust me. I'm too lucky. Look at me, look at you, what you see, what you do. Baby, please think it through, drink it up, enjoy the view. MVP, got my crew, Nike on my shoes. Might be sipping booze, slightly feeling loose. If I want it, then I have it. Got an ice wrist, causing damage, just like I planned it. I'll be damn rich. Have a chef in the back, make a sandwich. Oh, she got it all, I just want it all, baby, we could ball, you just gotta fall, I could be your man, paying for your tan, I'm your biggest fan, you said this your jam, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm living up life like a baller. I'm living like white, like I'm Walter. She always told me I never call her. Oh yeah, I'm living this life like I pull up in a coupe, up in a Chevy. I'ma hit it in the back if she let me. And take your time, baby, getting ready. I want you looking fine or looking sexy. Yeah, yeah. I be turning up. Got no ID, but she cute as fuck. So I told her she could kick it, but said she couldn't touch. Now all she wants to do is kiss and hug. I could go all day, I'ma do my thing. I'ma stay ballin', like it's my driveway. I'ma go all in, party like Friday. I'ma take this day, turn it to my day. Oh, she love me, sipping bubbly, champagne, cocaine, kiss and hug me. It ain't nothing, dropping money. Okay, all day, getting lucky. Yeah. Oh yeah, I'm living up life like a baller. I'm living like white, like I'm Walter. She always told me I never call her. Oh yeah, I'm living this life like a baller. Yeah. You can catch me in the studio, yeah, and you'll hear me on the radio, yeah. You'll hear me through your stereo, yeah, while I'm looking for my cameo. Yeah, she's texting me, ooh, wanna get at me, ooh, now she's sexting me, yeah, she's testing me, I just let it be, yeah, I'm a vet, you see, since I was 17, welcome to the team, oh, yeah, I deal in bulk like I'm Costco, yeah, I got this shit on lock though, yeah, invest my money in my stock, oh, yeah, so I'm growing around the clock, yo. She like that, wanna try that, wanna bite that, she got a nice treat her right, yeah, she's sipping white, yeah, we go all night till we see the sunlight, yeah. Oh yeah, I'm living up life like a baller. I'm living like white, like I'm Walter. She always called me, I never call her. Oh yeah, I'm living this life like a baller.
Order filled. Stop filled.
Brother, we're out of the live now. We got like two losses in the row. Damn. Motherfuckers. My account is negative $800 and yeah, that's our first day. Ended up having 2 losses and the 1 profit, which was useless as we could not get what we call it full TP on that just because of a low quantity. And now my order just I placed here has already been filled and gave us a loss with that 20 points and currently down $800. Not a very good day, but we followed our setup. That's all I can say. No problem, we're out of the trade. Unfortunately. So yeah. See you on the next stream. That's all for the day. And total trades 3. Let me just confirm my entries and my journal. So can we change that from here? Where is our entry? $64. Okay, yeah, that's not a problem, mates. It's completely fine. So we got stop loss in this zone. Trade good at XLR 830 against 15 plus takes. It cannot be positive. Hell yeah, day 1 and low buy limit. Buy limit. Unfortunately, we are out of this trade and out of the trade for the day. So I would like to close the stream and the stream for the day. And with that said, we got all the order fills though. So that was for buy order. Got in loss. Dollar minus 400. Ja, men med minus 400 så var det minus 400. So favor, I don't know. Account balance 49202. Capture 0 on that, and against 15 plus 29 bought, 3 takes away, which was did not filled. Next 30 bought, huge red, stopped is out and went back. So yeah, that's the comments for the day. And the market was, as the market was trending today for the up movements from that and the lower movement, so we got stopped out on that volatility, and that will be fun for trading tomorrow again, and we'll see. Second debit trade, and now account balance is 46,49,202. Target is 3,800, I guess. Yeah. And third trade by limit lost. So yeah, let me remove that from the charts and let me see that. I guess everything is all set to go, and we can close the stream now. Original, screenshot, everything is on the journal, so we are good to go now. And I'll be coming back tomorrow on the stream to make some profit or to make some loss, I guess. But yeah, final trade. Buy limit, stop out first as 29 bar, 3 take away, 30 bar with big wake, got out with negative 400, I guess, bar executions limit was correct. Thanks for the day. 1 May for Monday. Account balance $49.49202. Drawdown minus dollar also. So yeah, done for the day, guys, and yep, we'll see you tomorrow on the same stream. Currently, I'm not trading anymore. We are done for the day, and that was the other limit order now I got on that same level. Bullshit. But anyway, yeah, it was pleasant. It was pleasure on those trades. That was our entry. Got stopped out, and then market is there. So we got stopped out just by stopped us out by 5 ticks and went back. Perfect level, by the way, and order. So yeah, guys, good, done for the day, and of course in the loss, but we'll see myself tomorrow with those same executions, and of course we'll be putting those same executions. What is that? Sell limit, fill. Filled, and low support. Supporters, and then this is buy limit filled. And that was a sell limit filled. Short tested, not filled. Buy not filled. And high limit fill. I don't know what test. Buy not filled, exactly. So here we're gonna enter like buy not filled. Oh, went up and up. Zero, zero, and 0. So here against 12 plus, capture 0. So I hope we are done for the day, and our journal has been completed as well. It's time to sign out our current liquidity on negative $800. Started a day with positive 100, missed that quantity on our first trade, and then other 2 trades. That was the stop loss, and we have to pay that off. So yep, negative $800. See you on Tuesday. Thank you for your time, and thank you for my time as well. We're done for the day. Have a good night. And I'll be live on the New York session again on tomorrow. We'll be doing the scalping, and yeah, we'll do that live execution.